video, we will make a class for file reading. So first of all, we have created this file, so we want to read it. Then we will create a class for reading it. We will create inside a file handling, file test. This we will create another class file read test. FileReader equal to new FileReader. Inside it, we will pass the name of our file. So bring the name of the text. Now we will pass the file name. In this we take to read as the since the file reader return the value in the form of string, so we'll to the value in the form of integer, and while we would use dual sense that we have to run it one time. In this too we have to first of all we have to create a catch so there is no exception. We have to catch IOException. IOException E. If there is an exception, then we will return e dot get message reader dot read equal to while read not equal to -1. We will print character form of the read. So our file is reading successfully. We can see here this is the file and it is also printed successfully. So thank you.